Hello everyone, I am Site and welcome back to my channel Site. In today's video, I'll try to show you how you can actually avoid the screen flickering issue in the Oneplus Nord 2 device. So a lot of Oneplus Nord 2, their users are actually facing this kind of problem, which is a low light screen flickering, as you can see, friends. So whenever you try to decrease the brightness, so you'll be able to see this kind of screen flickering. And one more thing, you cannot see with your eyes. So if you try to use any other phone camera, only then you'll be able to see this kind of screen flickering happening in the Oneplus Nord 2. Now there is a temporary solution to avoid this kind of screen flickering in the Oneplus Nord 2, which I'll try to explain in this video. So first thing is that you need to download this application, which is called the PWM Free. As you can see, this is an application which is available in online as well. You can just Google it and you will get the XDA developers links, so you can download the APK. So if you don't want to do the searching and everything, you can just join my Telegram group, which is available, which is Site Guru IT. You can join my Telegram group, and in the Telegram group I'll try to post all the Gcams and all this kind of applications which might be useful in case if you're planning to buy the OnePlus Nord 2 or any other smartphone. So once you download this application, and you need to give the permissions for the accessibility as well. So once after you give all the permissions what the application is required, let me need to click on the application, and now the service is completely off. So when the service is completely off, let me just show you. So you'll see this kind of flickering is happening. Let me just slightly, as you can see, when the service is off, now it's the same brightness. As you can see, if it's same brightness, this OnePlus Nord 2, I'll try to go to the application and try to turn the service on. Let me just slightly. Now in this application we do have the option of increasing and decreasing the brightness as well. As you can see, friends, here, now let me need to use with the low brightness and go to the settings option. Let's go to the settings. Yes, and now as you can see, little bit got avoided. So it's before it used to be a lot worse than this one, but just a little bit. As you can see, you cannot see much of the screen flickering happening at this moment in the low brightness mode. This low brightness doesn't work at this moment because we did give the permission of this application to use the brightness. You need to adjust only using these applications. As you can see, friends, clearly. So let me just go to the settings again and show you. You cannot see any kind of flickering happening in the OnePlus Nord 2. Exactly. But if you want to change the brightness, you need to open that application and then you need to change the brightness, increase or decrease. So application brightness option doesn't work in the default. This doesn't work because we did give the permission. That is the reason. So try to download this application, friends, which will be really helpful in case if you're facing this kind of issue, and if you want to avoid this one at this moment. This is a temporary fix which we got. So maybe in the future the OnePlus, they might give the update on this OnePlus Nord 2, which in the built-in settings we might have DC dimming or maybe anti-flickering options in the inbuilt settings. At this moment we don't have this kind of options. That is the reason you need to depend upon third-party applications like this. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and in case if you have any other issues on the OnePlus Nord 2, let me know in the comment section below. So mainly for the OnePlus Nord 2, because recently we are seeing plenty of problems on the OnePlus Nord 2 in terms of the app cloning and all this kind of force closing applications and all this kind of issues. So let me know in the comment section below. One by one we are trying to solve the issues what is happening in the OnePlus Nord 2. Basically because of this new Oxygen OS and the ColorOS got mixed. That is the reason I'm not sure exactly this many problems we are actually facing in this phone. And thank you for watching this video, friends, and that's it in the next video. And don't forget to download this application and just try, and let me know in the comment section below whether it's working or not. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.